Oh dear, I sure am glad you kids decided to visit the Enchanted Forest, but with Halloween already here, I wish you hadn't, and it's all because of the zombies. Zombies? Zombies? On Halloween night, when the moon is full, zombies arrive into the Enchanted Forest to try to eat the brains of enchanted forest creatures, including us trees. Oh no! We've got to do something fast, Annabelle! Because tonight, the moon is full! And tonight's Halloween night.
Let's go to the Enchanted Forest and start attacking. I'm with you right there, since tonight is Halloween. Ha 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 ha. Prepare to die, Enchanted Forest creatures.
Not so fast, you zombie brain eaters. You either run from me, or become ashes by my fire. And hey, I'm a dragon who can breathe fire, and fire can turn bodies into ashes like yours. Ha 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 ha.
Oh no, they got protection here in the Enchanted Forest already. Let's get out of here. Hurry, quick, back to the cemetery, fast.